group, Grandma Bev from Life with Grandma Bev. And today I'm going to share with you my last QVC haul before heading down south. Reason being, it takes sometimes 2 weeks to get things when I order them from QVC. And of course, we're going to be gone. 2 weeks from tomorrow, we hit the road. So I won't actually be getting set up in Yuma until the 1st of November. So I just feel like I smeared it on like a child. Anyway, so now, I've been doing all kinds of address changes because I have to time everything perfectly from when they send them to me here, for October. You know what I mean. So anyway, let's get started with, let's see, the first thing was, and of course when I edit the video, I'll put the prices. I thought this was cute. It's just a tin, but I should be able to fit one of these in my motorhome, you think, for just the holiday. I mean, look at all the cute little guys on it. And this came in it's actually a box of 3 of these. So I'm gonna bring one with me for the motorhome, and if my daughter wants one, I'll save one to give her for next year. And like I say, it was 3 of these. Then, now, I know everybody thinks it's really hot all the time down in Yuma, but it's not. The evenings get really cool. I mean, it gets down in the 30s, 40s. So in the evenings, I'm cold, especially my feet. So they had these. Look at these. They are Cuddle Duds brand. And they're the, I can't open it because it's hooked together, but the Sherpa line socks. And these are so nice and thick. And of course, they're for the holidays, but I'll wear them in the winter. Let's see. The other one looks a little bit more like Christmassy. Whoop. Isn't that cute? Kind of reminds me of buffalo plaid a little. So that's going down with me. I mean, look at how much room just those two take up. So that was 2 pairs for a price that I'll put later. Then I also got another Muk Luks one, and these are also just to wear around the motorhome. And another factor, and I'm sure Jean from Jean's Junk knows what I mean. The floor in your motorhomes and trailers doesn't have, like a lot of, what's the word? Stuff, padding and stuff to make your floor warm. So it gets cooler on the floor, especially at night. So I got some of these. Now these are just like the other one, except it's got, I guess these have they have the little stuff on the bottom so you don't slip. And of course, Sherpa lined. These I can just wear all the time at night. Pretty colors. So I thought I'd see if my daughter wants one of these too. Well, up to her. And now, the really fun stuff. The stuff I don't need. First off, now this shirt that I have on is a Jason Wu brand. And I've had this for a good part of the summer. And I bought it in like an extra large, and it's got extra large on me. So I put it in the washer and dryer, and it shrunk up a little, but Bob really liked it. So I that was all I needed to hear. So I ordered another one in the large to take with me on the trip. So this is the same brand. And I'm not going to try these on today. See, long sleeve. It's even got a kind of like a cuff, but it's not really. I mean, you know, it's not, it doesn't open up like a cuff. V-neck like I like. It's that real flimsy kind of material, but look at the pattern. Isn't that pretty? And I got this in a large. And the material, let's see, turn the garment inside out to machine wash. It's 95 poly and 5% elastane. So it's that slinky kind of material that's good for taking on trips. Because if you want to rinse them out, they dry in such a short time. So then I got from Quacker Factory. I actually ordered something from Quacker Factory. They just haven't had much this year that I like. It's always kind of like the same things from other years. And you know, I like V-neck. So once they had these though, I thought I'd take a chance on these. And this is more, you know, like the, you can see the material. It's the kind of like waffle knit. It's got the little, you know, so it's with the long sleeve. And I've already tried these on for Bob. So. And this is 60 cotton, 40 poly. I'm hoping this is going to shrink a little because he said this was a little loose. But I don't want to get the next size down because the odds are by Christmas I could weigh more, or like next year for Christmas I could weigh more. And the one that came with it, and this is what I mainly bought it for. I consider that one just kind of came with it. This one is Christmas tree. I mean, isn't that pretty? And so it sparkles and shines. Scoop, you know, kind of scoop neck, long sleeve, same material. And he really liked this one on me, so this will be my nice warm one to wear in December, because like I said, it does get cool. It gets in the 60s during the day in December and January. And that's cold when you've gotten used to the 80s and 90s, you know. So that's it. What you think? Again, I'll put the item numbers up here, and the price. And I didn't get that good a deal on those because those are winter things. So. But really a big drop in how many packages used to come here from QVC, let me tell you. So, you know, comment down here, share, like, subscribe, and we're working towards our 1,000. We're at 920. I don't think we're going to make it to the 1,000 by the 15th. So you're going to have, see, I think I packed three Vera Bradley bags, 3 different patterns for 2 people to choose from when I have my 1,000 giveaway. So hopefully it's patterns you guys all like. And of course, in the bags will be goodies, you know. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I love you all. Bye.